In this video, you will learn how to find a book in Ellis Libraries. Type the title of the book or keywords in the homepage of Ellis Library website. You will see information such as location, call number, and the status of the book. When clicking on the title of the book, you can see further information such as summary and content notes. Here you have the option to place a request and choose the first available copy or a specific copy, and also choose the location where you want to pick up your book. You can hit submit or cancel. You can also text the call number to your cell phone. Type your mobile number, choose its provider, and send message. To find a book using its call number, go to Maps and Floor Plans on the Ellis Library's homepage. Choose Ellis Library Main Library and click on Ellis Call Number Location Guide. The book that we are using for this example starts with HD. Here it says B to HE. It's on 3 East. You can either choose the floor map or watch a video direction. When clicking on 3 East, it will send you to the map floor where your book is located. The book in this example is located on East Stacks. To get to the East 3rd floor, take the East stairs or take the elevator to the appropriate floor. Ellis Library also has some special location codes. One of them is reference books. Reference books are located on the 1st floor of Ellis Library, east of the Information Commons 2. Another special location code is federal government documents. Government documents are also located on the 1st floor of the Ellis Library, east of the Information Commons 2. Another special location is Ellie's Special Collections. Ellie's Special Collections are located on the northwest side of the 4th floor of the Ellis Library. To get to Special Collections, take the elevator pressing the 3 button. Exit left, walk to the end of the building, go upstairs, and turn right. Thanks for watching.